Listen, you got a minute and 30 seconds. Play as many songs as you want, all right?
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. But it's day 2 at Daytona bike week, you feel me? Right now I'm at the, oh yeah, let me tell y'all, don't even know, man. I changed hotels, man. You know what I'm saying? The other one, it wasn't doing it for me, man. It really wasn't doing it for me. But right now we at the Hard Rock Hotel, man. And I tell you, this mud is nice, you feel me? We got the balcony. Let me show y'all the room. Hold on. Okay, so boom, get the room, you feel me? Like, it's done hard. Some slight, you know what I'm saying? But look, we finna go downstairs, right? Cause they got the sound competition going on downstairs. So right now, I'm finna walk down there and I'm gonna get back with y'all in a minute. Hold on, why the camera? Alright, there you go. But yeah, I'm finna go downstairs. They got a sound competition going on. I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get down there. Alright, y'all, so I just made it down to the bottom, man. My boy Mikhail can't see me, man. Me and that man grew up together, man. I know that man since he was like yeah, little man. Now I'm bigger than him, you know what I'm saying? How you doing, man? How you feeling, man? Well, yeah. But look, so we finna go back out here to the sound competition. Really? I'm gonna take the long way so I can show y'all the bikes that been pulling up. There's a whole bunch of bikes pulling up. And the hotel, look at this. We got the limo in there, mud. Yeah, I'm finna go out here and show y'all these bikes. Start out right here at the front though. They got all types of bikes, but the sound competition happening over there. We finna go over here. Look at that bike right there. That mud clean. Got that blue. Yes, sir. This bike right here is crazy. This one right here, I seen it earlier. That boy got a Gucci seat on it. Y'all see that? That green go crazy in the back. Well, they got a sound competition up here. Let's go see what's going on, y'all. Alright, this is the inside. Right here, the inside, they got a whole bunch of bikes in here on show, like showing their businesses and stuff, you know, for the sound. We're gonna go through and look at a couple. Like this one right here, crazy. That boy go crazy. No cap. We got Zeus over here. And I got the Corvette mud on it. The color crazy too. Carbon fiber on the gas tank and the speedometer. That mud nice. I like that. This mud here, huge. Yeah. Y'all see it. Oh my God! Y'all see this bike right here? Boy, this mud is throwing a block party right here. Swear to God. Yo, Mikhail, it's crazy. Yeah, this mud throwing a block party. I ain't lying to y'all. You pull up on the scene with this, but it's a party for real. Yeah. What you see? Mud 8? Yeah, for real. They got the amps in the back of this one. Speakers go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, these bikes got some stuff on it for real. They got theirs done by Audio Concept. That's the same people that made that big bike over there. But the sound competition outside, we finna go see what it's talking about real quick.
So you alright? clock right now.
I think we finna hear that one
Judges,
now.
we good? We got a minute and 30 seconds. Play as many songs as you want, alright?
Alright, time to see what everybody talking about, y'all.
It's your birthday, so I know you want to ride out.
Alright, y'all. So look, they done with that one. I don't know what's next. We finna go to the next category, I guess. I guess they finna go inside and judge it, but to me, the e-bike sound good. No cap, the e-bike's crazy. It's different, but I'm trying to see what's in the inside when they go.
I got you.
What's going on? But hey, so boom, just came back in the room and stuff. Come to see if they doing the big bikes now. I went up there to get my mic and still got the mic out. But I'll get it, I'll go back up there in a minute again. So yeah. This where they getting it from? But yeah, he said he wanted to get some fries and some wings, so we can see what they're talking about. This bike crazy right here. Ooh-wee. Y'all see this? That mud nasty. Bikes everywhere, y'all. They all over. This the hotel we staying at right here, man. This the Hard Rock, man. Let me do the dash across the street while I'm talking. Oh yeah, we got all types of bikes out here. Man. Oh, can't even see ya. Come on now. I'm trying to see this bike right here. That mud nice. And that pink one. Bikes everywhere. Coming through. Alright, y'all, so they got the big bikes finna come up. Look at this, hold on.
Hey, judges. So listen.
He gonna be loaded.
I need Drew Q and Jacob Dobbins to get ready. You ain't gotta go right now, but just go. You crazy. There's somebody coming first. Alright, it's on you. We are in the Bagger National 70-week class. First time on Alabama coming